Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be going over everything that I bought in Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale. It's a lot. Okay, disclaimer, it's a lot. My pockets aren't happy, but I am. So we're going to be going over all of that and talking about what I got and what was in the sale, we're going to be going into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. Don't forget that I'm going to have a small giveaway when I hit 100 subs. So you want to be subscribed down below. Make sure you follow me, leave a comment, whatever. Let me know you're here because when I hit 100 subs, I'm going to be posting a giveaway video and I'd love to have you guys enter. So make sure you're subscribed so you can be in that. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. There's a lot in here. This is the box packed to the brim with stuff. There's a lot in here, so let's just get started. The first thing that I ended up getting was this Mario Badescu skincare combo dry regimen kit. In this is the cleansing soap, a cleansing lotion, vitamin C moisturizer, and an enzyme revitalizing mask. Here's what it looks like. Here's all the items. I've never actually used Mario Badescu skincare other than their facial spray, so I'm interested to try all this out. What is this? Here's the eye mask. This little teeny container eye mask. That's a little small, but I'm excited to get into all this. I'm not going to open it anytime soon. I'm working through some skincare right now. As soon as I'm done that, this is next on my radar. Then I picked up this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Blossom. I may or may not be using this in an upcoming Halloween video, so I wanted to pick it up while I could. Ooh, super pretty. Like that. Pretty lilac. I like that. Can't wait to try that out in a future video. Wasn't part of the sale, but I needed it, so I just was like, I'm gonna get it right now. I got free shipping because your girl's plat. That's rude. Anyway, got free shipping because your girl's platinum, so picked that up. I also picked this up. This is the XX Revolution Intrinsic Complexion Palette. The word almost defeated me. It comes in this little like component. Okay, so I might have gotten the wrong shade here because this is supposed to be a highlighter, a bronzer, highlighter, blush. And this is not going to be able to go on my skin as a highlighter. So this might be getting passed along. But I got this because it reminded me of an Hourglass trio. And I wanted to try it out. Again, figured why not. Best time to do a little shopping. That sucks. I probably got the wrong color. I'm not going to lie. Then I got this Clinique Moisture... I cannot speak today. I got the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator in this little packaging here. It says allergy tested, 100% fragrance free. And I don't know, I never tried any kind of Clinique moisturizer, so I figured that was a good one to try. My skin is already getting super dry because of the cold, so great time to get that. Again, not in the sale, but I got this Just a Tint lip crayon by ColourPop in the shade The Strand. Love a good lip crayon, and it smells so good. What a beautiful neutral color that is. So excited to get this on the lips. Love a good lip crayon. I love easy lip products because I hate getting them all over my face, on my teeth. Upkeep is annoying, so lip crayons are the way to go. Then I got the Benefit Boing Concealer in shade number 3. I've heard great things about this. Love that it's a little, like, pencil, like, because you're erasing the dark circles, so hopefully this works. I've heard good things about this. This is somebody I watch's favorite. Maybe Jessica Braun. I don't know, but it says no caking with a cute little cake. Bam. So that's cute. Super excited to get that on my face. There's still so much in here. Then I got this Confidence in an Eye Cream by IT Cosmetics. And if I said it before, I'll say it 100 more times. My under eyes are a big issue for me. I cannot for the life of me get rid of the dark circles. So I'm hoping that if I focus on some under eye stuff, in like this upcoming year. Maybe I can fix that, but it comes in this cute little jar. The standard eye cream, not super thick, but not really water-based either. Haven't heard anything about these, but it says it brightens, repairs, and transforms, and wow. Wow, is that something I need? Something else that wasn't in the sale. I got this e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in the shade Tough Cookie. It's like not moving around in there. There we go. Juiced it up. But this is a tinted lip balm. I think I'm going to put some on just to see. Also heard great things about this. That's just a cute everyday lip balm with some tint. But I literally am pushing. I'm squeezing so hard. Like, okay. Smells like cake. Like that. I mean, yeah. I don't know. Definitely give a cute little color. It's weird. It doesn't have like a applicator. Literally just this tube that, I'm not even exaggerating, is so hard to squeeze out. Adds a nice little sheen of color. Like that. Feels pretty moisturizing. Bam. Then I got this Lime Crime Wet Cherry Lip Gloss in the shade Naked Cherry. And it's this nice cool tone neutral shade. Never used a single thing from Lime Crime. Not a single thing. Oh, it's going to be pretty on top of like a nude. Ooh. Pretty pigmented. Huh. Oh, they smell delicious. They smell so good. Leora on YouTube loves this, and she was recommending her favorite things, and that's the first thing she recommended, and I was like, okay, well, I'm sold. I'm super excited to get that on the lips. Never used a single thing from Lime Crime, so this is its one shot first impression. Next, I got this Refresher Course Cleansing Balm and Radiance Trio. It's a frothy face wash, gel moisturizer, and I believe another eye cream from Origins. Yeah, here's the face wash, the moisturizer, and a little bitty eye cream. I just said, you know, I'm on the eye journey this year, so hopefully this little baby can help. My thoughts with getting this and the Mario Badescu one is like testing all the waters and then seeing what works best for me. Picked up one of my favorite mascaras ever. This is the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. Beautiful packaging. Not going to open it yet because I do not need it yet. So I'm going to put that away because I definitely don't need to wear this anytime soon. But love getting high-end mascara on a discount when it's 50% off. I mean, how much more of a discount do you want? Picked that up. Couldn't be happier with that. Then I got this beautiful LA Girl palette here. It's the Break Free palette, and look at those pinks and purples. Look at those pinks and purples. This palette alone is the reason I bought the purple eyeliner from NYX, because when I got this in the mail, I was like, yep, know what I'm doing for Halloween. So stay tuned for some goodies with this palette, but the array of purples and pinks in this is just stunning. Ooh, next I got the Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer from IT, and that looks like it's gonna be a little dark. I'll make it work. It says it's clinically tested, hydrating, and anti-aging with 3D Skin Flex. Got it in the shade Light Medium? When would I ever get in the... Why would I ever get it in the shade Light Medium? I don't know. But we'll have to make it work. I loved the CC cream. That's one of the best foundations I've ever used and worn. So I'm super excited to try out something else. Love the packaging it's in. The little squeezy tube with a pump is just so good. Ooh, super excited about this. This is the All Nighter Setting Powder by Urban Decay. It's long wear, mattifying, and weightless. And when I opened this up and saw how adorable this packaging was, whew, I was so excited. This is one of the first things I got in the sale, so this really kicked it off for me, and I was so excited. I was like, oh, I love this. But I really do, and I'm really excited to see it. This is going to be a good shade match, and this is one of my favorite YouTubers, Andrea. She loves this powder, so I picked it up, and I'm super excited. I love powder. I'm not a pressed powder kind of girl. I like loose powder, and I don't know why. Maybe I just haven't found a good pressed one, but I'm hoping maybe this is going to be the good one. So I'm excited about that. Let's see what else is in here. I got a couple mascaras. Oh, yep. This is the Petite and Pretty Fluffy, oh no, Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. Is the brand Petite and Pretty? Yeah, Petite and Pretty Beverly Hills. And look how adorable this is. It really is small. It's like this big, but wanted to try out this mascara. Haven't tried anything by this brand before, and I just decluttered a bunch of mascaras if you saw my empties video. So I was in the market, so I picked this up and picked up a classic mascara. This is the Monsieur Big by Lancome. It's in almost every 21 Days of Beauty sale, and I get it every year. Great mascara, great price during the sale. So picked up a backup of that. Ooh, my favorite things that I purchased were these Benefit Box blushes. I got California, which is just this beautiful golden peach. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. And I got Cookie, this highlighter, which again, so beautiful. I did swatch it a little bit. I couldn't help myself. But I've heard great things lately about these on YouTube, so I picked up two of those. I've never had a full-size Benefit Box blush, and they're always so expensive, like $30 for like a blush and highlight, like $30 each for a blush and highlight. I can't afford that, and I'm like, well, I can, but like, I don't want to. I was like, okay, 15 a piece is such a friendlier price tag than 30, so I picked up these. I do have a mini of the Benefit Hula, which I love, so I like the Benefit formula, and I'm hoping these do some good for me. Then I got this MAC lip pencil in the shade Soar. Never used a MAC product a day in my life. You always hear about their lip pencils. Looks like this. Very pretty color. Very, very pretty. Excited to finally have one of these in my collection. MAC is like, in my opinion, like an untouchable brand. Like I don't know. I stay away from the MAC store in the mall. Never been in there, looked from afar my whole life. They always just seem so intimidating. And I know they're probably great and so nice, but they just always kind of intimidate me. And I don't know why. It is what it is. Then I got this Cover FX duo here, this blush duo in Pink Dahlia. And look at that. Look at this. Whew. Whew. Gonna be so pretty for the winter time and fall time. So I picked this bad boy up. My pockets are screaming. All right, we've made it to the very end. There's just two more things in here. I finally, after years of doing makeup, got this Lorac Pro 3 palette. Was so shocked to see how absolutely thin, like thin this boy is. But we've all seen this palette 800 times on YouTube by now. But just look at those beautiful colors. I could just die. Like, this is just such classic YouTube to me that I finally was just like, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna get it. And I just got it. I got the Lorac Pro 3 finally after years and years and years and years and years of not having it. And it came with a little eyeshadow primer. So that's super cool. And finally, I picked up the KKW Beauty palette. Never tried a single thing from this brand. But, I mean, I got it, and this packaging is soft touch, like matte. And I'm like, okay, Kim, you really did that. Then I opened this, and I was like, okay, Kim, like, you really did that. This is beautiful packaging, so neutral. And then I opened it, and I was like, okay, Kim, you did that. Like, I think that this is a stunning palette. I think this is so beautiful. This is the classic Blossom palette, and I don't know, look at that gold, and like I look at this and I'm just like, okay, I'm ready to do my makeup. Like, this is just so beautiful. I'm so excited to use this. So that was everything I picked up during the sale. The follow-up video, the next video I'm going to be posting after this, is going to be a full face using all of this. So don't forget to subscribe to come back to see all of this in action. There's a lot here. So definitely going to have a good time doing all of that. But I'm super excited and really, really ready, like ready to get all this on my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a great time filming this, and I'm going to have an even better time putting it on my face. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you're going to be coming back for the giveaway at 100 subs. We're almost there. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.